What's the meaning of authenticate? Authenticate. Authenticate.
Authenticate. Authenticate. The term authenticate refers to the process of verifying the identity or genuineness of a person or object. It involves confirming the validity of a claimed identity or origin through various methods such as passwords, biometrics, cryptographic keys, or other means of identification. The result of successful authentication is that the system can grant access or provide services to authorized persons or processes, while denying access to unauthorized ones. Authentication is a crucial aspect of security and protection against various forms of fraud, identity theft, and cyber attacks in many domains and applications, such as banking, e-commerce, healthcare, and government.